Good morning guys, it's me again, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Today a quick share really. I've just received my vintage ephemera box from Rosie at our atelier for May, and I've been so looking forward to this because it's vintage fashion themed and absolutely gorgeous. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and just a really quick share of the things on my desk at the moment. So as you can see, it's unopened. I received it a couple of days ago. Just about wanted time to, if you can see, look, the oh, anyway, that gorgeous. And yes, I'm also doing just finishing off. Well, I'm in the middle of working on this custom order here as well. I wanted to just share that with you, kind of quick, what's on my desk. So this one, I don't remember the last one I did was commissioned to contain all things French. Well, this one here is commissioned for a friend, for her friend, and it's got all things English. So she's actually given me some lovely goodies as well that she wants included. But so yeah, a typically sort of beautiful English country garden scene on the front with some upholstery fabric, vintage doily, and it's sewn on. And then I've put, there's 5 signatures, going to be 5 signatures in this. Beautiful papers. So on the front and back there's going to be this beautiful London. I love these images. And lots of English bits and pieces going to be in here. It's a lot of fun. This is quite a vintage card, looking at the the old bus. And my friend actually she sent me this to pop in. And black taxi, love that, love that, love that. I thought this reminded me of like a vintage wallpaper design that you'd probably find in a stately home, so I popped that in because it's beautiful. English coastline, love it. And lots of pockets. There's going to be loads of pockets, photographs, postcards, and ephemera for this. So that's that one. I'm also in the middle of altering this special edition bullet journal from Paper Chase. So this came a couple of weeks ago and I need it for this weekend. So as some of you know, I'm experimenting at the moment with putting all of my scripture notes into a bullet journal, and I've got a couple of events this weekend that I really need to get going with this. So I have been with the others decorating as I go. So this is the, I think it's still available on Paper Chase. That's the actual design, how it comes, and then it's got that design all across the back. I just wanted to add some more vintage fabric. This is from a stash from a friend actually, my friend Jane, upholstery fabric and bits and pieces she sent me, so I popped that in, popped a little nameplate thing on, and I'm kind of, what's the word, I've got my stack of Daphne's Diary and all sorts of goodies that I'm popping in here. I'm deciding to dress the pages beforehand. Daphne's Diary, that was on a lovely series of a lady, I can't remember her name now, an older artist who just did cats. That's from my Katie, what's best from this one? Oh, let's have a look. Decided that I would actually, yeah, Katie Daisy Wildflower workbook. I decided that I would add it to my bullet journal. So washi, that was that lovely French washi of the different coffee shops, and this beautiful, isn't it gorgeous? That's from Daphne's Diary. Calendar of Reading Ladies. On sticker paper I've just popped some Monet. This is from Mrs. Cogg's Crafts, and she has the Monet collection. So I really need to get, that's as far as I've gotten, I think, with this. Really need to get on with that. So I just, as I say, I wanted to decorate every page before I use it so that it's done. And I can always add things to it. So I needed to really get on with this. Let's open up and see what we've got this month. Rosie does the lovely little share on YouTube and Instagram in advance of what her goodies are going to be. So that gives you an idea of what the wooden stamps are. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. What have we this month? Oh, let's have a look at these big things first before going to little things. So these like die cut. Oh, piece of lace. Piece of lace. Love that. If you can see that, guys. Lovely piece of lace there. Let's get that out. It was called kind of bridal, doesn't it? So that's the first goodie. Got popped in there. Wow, lots and lots of. Let's see. Am I gonna? Oh, take that out. Take that out. Take that out. So I can pop them back in again. There's a kind of system going on. So. If you can see how what we have here. Vintage fashion images. Oh yes, this will be going in. How lovely. Now this is going to be, it'll be May or June. Yes, because June's next. So I think she does these as a set for the whole year. But otherwise what you'd get is you get one a month with your vintage, with your ephemera box. Love that. Love that. Little bits of vellum. So useful without to decorate without actually adding lots and lots of bulk to your. Oh wow! As you can see, I can't. There. Little magazine stickers. Oh, they're beautiful. I love these. I love these. These will be going straight into my journal. Little die. Is it die cut? Paper cut, die cut. Such a lot of gorgeous goodies. A little bit of a poem. Some poem verses. Okay. Right, so also here we have, so they look like little vintage, almost vintage fashion magazine goodie bits. Let's leave that back on itself, so hopefully it will stick on itself, will it? Yeah, there you go. I love the little doilies. A spring ad. So these are hand-dyed. Like coffee stained doilies. Very useful. Very useful indeed. Oh, I love this. In fact, I do have a book. Oh my word. I do have, oh, absolutely beautiful. The winter fashions. Lovely, 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 lovely. So, I it's almost too much to show you, isn't it? At once, let's see. Let's pop that there. There you go. So this is pretty, like a there you go. Little snippets of postcards. Love it. Love, 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 love. Stickers. Floral. Oh my. Such a lovely selection. You've outdone yourself this time, Rosie. And these will be going straight into my journal. Some will be, I've got another little project just starting. Oh, now see, these are the stamps. The rubber stamps this time. Beautiful. Just for, really, really nice, just for adding a little simple something to an edge of a page. Oh, I think that's lovely. You see. Oh. I like the they're like what are these called, like a photograph yeah, frame, aren't they? You know, a picture frame. Now what have we here? Vintage Vogue. Vintage Vogue little collage. Lovely. And got a couple of washes this time as well. Usually get some washes, to be fair. I say that as if we don't often get washes. We'll always get washes with them. So this looks like petticoats, corsets, petticoats, corsets, like a vintage, what's the word? What's that? Sears catalogue, almost. Vintage Sears catalogue type. Upside down. Ladies. All ladies' boudoir things, aren't they? Beautiful. Beautiful. So, yeah. Lovely. Gorgeous vintage kind of style. And then finally, let's have a quick look at anything with unboxing. It usually to edit out a lot of fiddly unwrapping time. Let's have a look. I don't know what that actually says, if you can see that. Looks like you know, handwritten script to a little ad or something. So and then we have, so this is oh, looks like you can put on the header of pages and things. I hope you can see that. I'm not going to try and open it all now. So there you go, guys. That is my very quick share and the vintage ephemera box for May from Rosie R. Atelier. So thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, Rosie does have a YouTube channel and she's on Instagram, and she does these boxes every month. I dip in and out whenever I see one that I really fancy. So thank you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.